Down at the bottom of the machine you will find the dust collection container. Together with the compressed air control unit, so it's a compressed air filter, lift mechanism, etc. Once the filter unit or the dust collection container is lowered by the compressed air lift, you are able to pull out the filter unit, the dust collection container. This dust collection container, for example, here has to be emptied every 2 weeks. It's easily done by changing the PE back, and the disposal is very easy.
That's fine.
The dust collection container is going back into the original position, and we can switch on the unit again. So this is an installation of a Chemjet System 8000. The principle is that we extract the air from the workshop by the 2 suction ducts left and right of the filter unit through the grills, and then once the air is filtered, it is fed back into the workshop by the big nozzle piece. This nozzle is able to throw the cleaned air approximately 15 to 20 meters back into the workshop, and this way we can maintain a constantly low level of welding smoke in the workshop.